Good morning everyone. So today we are going to start chapter number 7 and the name of the chapter is Getting to Know Plants. So in this chapter we will learn about plant kingdom. So let's start. First topic we have types of plant. Types of plant. So according to the features of the plant, they are divided into mainly 5 categories. First we have herb. Second, shrub. Third, trees. Fourth, climber. And fifth, creepers. So according to the features of the plant, they are divided into mainly 5 categories. First, herb, shrub. Second, third, tree. Fourth, climbers, and fifth, creepers. Okay. Now let's see one by one in detail. What is herb? What is shrub? What are trees? About climbers and creepers, we will see in detail one by one. So first I will start. What is herb? So herb are the very small plant with the thin stem. Okay, herb are the very small plant with soft green stem. This is called herb. So what are herbs? Herbs are the very small plant. They are very small in size and they mostly have green soft stem. If you see the stem of the herb, you will see green in color and it is very thin with soft green stem. Is known as herb. Example, grass. Grass is there. So if you observe the grass, what you will see? First, they are very small, and if you see carefully the stem of the grass, you will see green in color, and it is very thin, soft, thin, and green in color. That is known as herb. So example is grass. Okay, you can also say coriander. Coriander also it is a herb. Okay, so such plant, they are known as herbs. So herb are the very small plant with soft green stem. Example, grass and coriander. Secondly, the life of this herb, they are very short. They live for few months only. Okay, they will not live for years and years. Their lifespan is very short. All right. Okay. Now moving to next, shrub. What are shrub? So shrub are the plant. You can say plant with which have many many which have many woody stem, which have many thin and woody stem is called shrub. Plant which have many thin and woody stem is known as shrub. Plant which have thin, soft stem, okay, they have soft stem, woody stem is known as shrub. Example, rose. So if you observe the rose, you will see many thin stem will come out, and the color of the stem is brown, woody stem, not green in color, but you will find wood color stem, okay, woody stem. And the life of this shrub is more than herbs. They can live for up to 1 or 2 years. In case of herb, what we have seen, they live only for a short period of time, only for few months. But in case of shrub, they are bigger than herb. And they live for years, means for 1 to 2 years. Okay, means they can live more than herb. That is known as shrub. Plant with the many thin and woody stem is known as shrub. Example, rose. All right. Now moving to next, we have trees. So what are trees? Very big plant about trees. Okay. So trees have tall, broad, hard and woody stem. Tree plant that have broad, hard and woody stem. Broad, hard and woody stem is called trees. That are called trees. So what are trees? Or you can say trees are very big plant. In short, what you can say? Trees are very big plant. Trees are very big plant. Trees are very big plants as compared to herb and shrub. Trees are very big and they can live for many years. Okay, some tree even they can live for more than 100 years. Okay, so here the lifespan of tree is much more than herb and shrub. And the size, trees are very tall. They have broad, hard and woody stem. Okay, that is known as tree. Example, you can say mango tree, apple tree. Example, mango tree, neem tree, etc. Okay. Now next we have creeper. We will learn about creepers. sorry, fourth one is we have climbers. Climbers. What are climbers? Climbers are the plant that have weak stem. They cannot stand themselves. They need some object or some kind of support to erect themselves, because they have very weak stem. The stem of creepers are very weak, so they cannot stand themselves. They need some support to stand themselves. That is known as climbers. So definition you will write there. Climbers are the plant that take support of other plant to climb on them. Some plants that have very big stem, and they need support. They need support of any object. They need support of any object to climb on them. Okay? That is called climbers. Climbers, plant that have very weak stem, and they need support because they have weak stem. They cannot stand themselves. That's why they need support of any other object to climb on them. Without support, they cannot stand. That's why they need support. Such plants are known as climbers. Such plants are known as climbers. Example I will give you. Grapevine. Okay, grapevine. Example, I know grapes. Grapevine. Okay, or you can say cucumber plant also. They are also climbers. This is known as climbers. All right. Now moving to the last topic, that we have creepers. Creepers. So creepers are the plant. Number 5 we have creepers. Creepers are the plant that do not have strong stem. They cannot stand erect. This plant grow along the ground. Plant that have very big stem. They cannot stand themselves. They cannot itself. They run on ground. All right. That is known as creepers. Example of creepers are pumpkin. Example, pumpkin. If you see the pumpkin plant, they will not see this. What is the difference between creeper and climber? Creeper and climber. Both the plant have weak stem. But in case of climber, what happened? They climb up with the help of some object. But in case of creeper also they don't have strong stem, but they do not climb up. Instead, they run along the ground to grow themselves. They run along the ground to grow themselves. Okay, example pumpkin plant. If you see the pumpkin plant, they are creepers. Okay, they run on the ground to grow themselves. So here we have learned about types of plant, herbs, shrub, trees, creepers and climbers.